Welcome back to Govan Dynasty. Tom and I are here on our property, the Govan Estates. We're here to celebrate our niece Jasmine as she earned her certification from her college. We are so excited. Our family is coming in today, and we're going to have a huge cookout and cornhole, RC boat racing later on today. So right now it's about 43 degrees, sunny. As you can see, I caught the sun rise. It was almost up by the time I got up. I slept well, y'all. I slept well. But this is like the front of the property here. So I'm just catching in the sights, just trying to give you all a view of our Love Wagon, which is our 2004 Outback by Keystone. Our setup, So as I walk around, just, taking the beauty of this property, y'all. It's cleared, and I love country living. Even though we're in the city, it's nothing like home, okay? You can hear the birds chirping, all of that. It's truly, truly worth the trip every time we boondock. And we're getting better at it. So this time, with the generator, we didn't run out of fuel. So practice with boondocking to prepare the menu for the weekend as we weekend warrior. So pancakes has been our go-to breakfast item on the Blackstone. And for lunch today, I plan to do catfish nuggets, fried catfish nuggets, fried shrimp and fries. So that's going to be awesome. And I don't know, we're just going to enjoy it. So right now, I'm just going to cross the street. My mom, she is a bird watcher, okay? She loves her birds, and she has feeders throughout her yard, the front, the side, the back. So she has these awesome birds that visit, like redbirds or cardinals, or she has the hummingbirds doing their thing, sparrows. She gets all kind of birds. So when I cross the road, I'm going to basically do my best to capture some of the birds playing in the morning air. So watch along with me as we navigate this video on today.
A few moments later.
Here are those pancakes, guys, with some sausage links. That's hubby. There go Tom, y'all. He's putting on the wind guards. The wind was high. Oh my goodness. And it was a cold breeze. While it was nice and sunny, it was cold.
Later.
Yeah, this part was funny. These are the RC boats that's in Dad's and Mom's pond. Okay, so that's the little tiny little things you see down the water. It's not tadpoles, you guys. It's actually little racing boats. And this event was supposed to be them racing each other, but it ended up being more like a boat chase situation. So I got a few clips of them actually just having fun on the water, bumping into the bank, flipping over. And you can see the ripples in the water, how that wind was blowing, y'all. It was chilly. All right, look at that, 52 degrees right now. So, imagine how I didn't have a coat. I just had on my hoodie. My fingers were frozen. Yeah, it was so cold. But it was a lot of fun, and I do believe when we go back down for Easter, we definitely going to be racing boats again. So, enjoy.
1 hour later.
Oh, y'all ain't been recording. Now it is. That's Jen. Yes. Michelle. Yes. Tanisha. That's right. Loretta. Erica. Yes. And we about to play this The Team Cornhole. So, I'm Team Blue. I'm going to be Team Blue. It should be 24. The trailer is 21. And it should be 24. So he moved it back some to get it 24. watching. Please like, subscribe, and give